Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 Hyundai Verna, also known as the Accent in certain markets, represents a significant evolution in Hyundai's lineup, showcasing a blend of modern design, advanced technology, and enhanced performance. This latest iteration aims to set new standards in the compact sedan segment. Design and exterior. The 2025 Verna adopts Hyundai's Sensuous Sportiness design language, resulting in a sleek and dynamic appearance. The front fascia features a wide LED light bar reminiscent of models like the Kona crossover and the Sonata facelift, giving it a distinctive and contemporary look. Sharp character lines along the sides and a coupe-like roofline enhance its aerodynamic profile, while the integration of LED headlights and taillights adds to its modern aesthetic. Interior and features. Inside, the Verna offers a spacious and well-appointed cabin, focusing on comfort and technology. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and a driver-centric layout create an inviting atmosphere. The centerpiece of the interior is a large touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Additional features include a digital instrument cluster, climate control, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Verna offers two engine options. 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine delivers 115 PS at 6,300 revolutions per minute and 14.7 kilograms of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute. This engine can be paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a continuously variable transmission (CVT). 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine produces 160 PS at 5,500 revolutions per minute and 25.8 kilograms of torque between 1,500 and 3,500 revolutions per minute. Transmission options for this engine include a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, enabling a 0-100 km/h acceleration time of approximately 8.1 seconds. Safety. Hyundai has prioritized safety in the new Verna. The sedan comes standard with 6 airbags, seatbelt reminders for all seats, electronic stability control, and ISOFIX anchorages for child seats. Optional advanced driver assistance systems further enhance occupant protection. Notably, the 2025 Verna achieved a 5-star rating for adult occupants and a 5-star rating for child occupants from Global NCAP, reflecting its robust safety credentials. Market availability. The 2025 Hyundai Verna is available in various markets, with specific configurations tailored to regional preferences. In Canada, Hyundai offers a range of models, including the Venue and Kona, through dealerships such as St. Laurent Hyundai. Prospective buyers can explore these models and their features by visiting local dealerships or Hyundai Canada's official website. Conclusion. The 2025 Hyundai Verna stands out in the compact sedan segment by combining stylish design, advanced technology, and a focus on safety. Its array of features and performance options make it a compelling choice for those seeking a modern and reliable vehicle. For a visual overview and more insights into the 2025 Hyundai